want to go out with that hot guy. See how she goes on her date now. Good. Because you deserve this. You deserve having your night ruined instead of my night being ruined. Oh shit, I better get these keys back before she realizes they're missing. This is going to be so much fun. The boy is so cute.